If we take a look at our plans, the pilasters are installed a little bit back from the face frame. They are also installed a little bit forward from the back of the project. By clamping a 2x4 to the back of our project, we can ensure that the pilasters will be 1.5 inches from the back of our project. Now, before we install any of these, we always want to double check that the numbers are going in the same direction for every piece. So after we know that these are in the correct orientation, we can set them in place. We then want to verify that they are pushed all the way down against the bottom shelf of the project, and we can install our first screw. We want to install this slowly and tighten it just until it is a little bit snug. We can then continue that same process along the length of the pilaster. Now, although the screw locations are every 6 inches, I typically skip about every other hole. That process will then be repeated for the other 3 sides. And with those pilasters installed, we're looking pretty good.